Hi, welcome to Kelly's Corner. Today I'm going to be taking you through one of my favorite birthday parties that we've thrown. It was for my son Jackson's third birthday, and it was a bug picnic. So the invite was actually a trifold. You can see the black line at the end of the picnic paper. That folds up, and then the little white part at the bottom would fold down. And I actually put some confetti bugs in that bottom part that would spill out when you opened it. And then this is the inside of the invite. It would fold up at the black line. You can see that you have a bottom of a sneaker with some bug guts. And like I said, the bug confetti would fall out when you opened it. On the outside of the house, I put some butterfly nets and trees. You can see I just used some fishing nets actually, and then some plastic butterflies. I also had what was my first try at a piñata. You can see it's a type of beehive was the idea. And then I just attached some little bees to the outside. I did some giant green grass out of paper that I put all around the house with some giant bugs. I did some picnic baskets around the house. I also made a giant flower out of cardstock and some wire, and then a giant balloon tree out of a paper bag and a cardboard tube. Again, I did some bugs on the outside. On the table, I did some more giant leaves, and then I made some headbands for the kids. For the banner, my mother-in-law had given me a calendar to use with some giant bugs, and so that's what I did. You can see on the food table, we used some picnic fabric, and then we had plates, but we also had baskets with the picnic print in it as well. For the silverware, we made fly swatter covers that we put over the top and just taped those on. For food, my mother-in-law brought some Ritz crackers with cherry tomatoes and olives on a cream cheese spread. And then she made some little insect cookies. Finally, she made a spider cake. You can see there's all kinds of good candies on there. We also did 3 types of cupcakes. We did bug cupcakes with M&Ms. We did a barbecue grill with some cow tails as little steaks and red hots for the hot dogs. And then finally we did hamburger cupcakes. These were my favorites by far. I think they turned out really good. For games, we did the piñata, of course. And then we played pin the dots on the ladybug. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as he enjoyed his party. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!